Instant Pot Baby Back Ribs. This is a real dinner winner that will have you licking your fingers and wondering how you survived before the Instant Pot. Ingredients: 1 rack baby back pork ribs, 2 pounds, rinsed, patted dry, silver lining removed. 1 cup water. 1 teaspoon liquid smoke. 1/4 cup barbeque sauce as needed. Spice rub: 1 tablespoon kosher salt. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 2 teaspoons garlic powder. 1 teaspoon thyme. 1 teaspoon oregano. 1/2 teaspoons cayenne pepper. 1/2 teaspoon chipotle powder. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. Instructions: 1. Remove the membrane from the underside of the ribs. To do this, find a corner and pull it all the way down the entire length. Or use a butter knife and slip it under and pull it off. Then wash and dry the ribs, patting them with a paper towel to fully dry them. Set aside. 2. Combine spice rub ingredients in a small bowl and stir to mix completely. Set aside. 3. Rub all sides of the rack of ribs with the spice rub. Completely coat the exterior. 4. Prep your Instant Pot by pouring the water and liquid smoke into the bottom of the pot. Then place the trivet into the bottom so the ribs won't be sitting directly in the liquid. 5. Add the ribs on top of the trivet, wrapping them into a circle inside the pot liner. If you can't fit them by wrapping them, you can cut them and place them in a teepee-like formation on the trivet. 6. Close and lock the lid. Place valve to the sealing position. 7. Select high pressure and set the timer for 30 minutes. 8. Meanwhile, when there is 15 to 20 minutes of time left before ribs are done, preheat the oven to broil on high. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. 9. The pot will take 10-15 minutes or so to come to pressure, then 30 minutes of cook time. Once this is done, allow 15 minutes for pressure to naturally release. Pot should read 0-15. After the 15 minutes, turn the valve to release pressure and carefully open the lid away from you. 10. Use tongs to remove the rack of ribs from the pot and place on the lined baking tray. 11. Brush ribs on all sides with your favorite barbeque sauce, coating them liberally. 12. Place tray in the preheated oven and broil 3 to 5 minutes to caramelize the BBQ sauce, watching closely so as not to burn them. 13. Use an instant red thermometer inserted into the center to ensure they are done. It should read 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees centigrade. 14. Serve with extra sauce if desired.